were just two lovers. Either one or dash, driving nowhere fast, running through the summer. Radio on blast, thinking on the last, she got solar power. Minutes feel like hours. She knew she was last, can you even imagine what her life got there?